What's going on, guys? We're back out here with another video. As you guys can see, we got the Kawasaki Mule here in the shop. StarknightMT sent us out another upgrade. Today we're going to be changing out these old nasty seat covers for some new black and camouflage seat covers. They just started offering these seat covers. They look really nice. We're going to see how nice they are and put them on here. So we're still rocking the windshield. We're rocking the gun rack. We're rocking the storage bag. StarknightMT's got some solid products. Let's go ahead and put on these seat covers. You're going to get your package, and this is what it's going to come with. Yes, and one's a top and a bottom seat cover. Sending out some more stickers, of course. And here's an instruction guide on how to put it on. So without further ado, fellas, let's get straight to it. And as you guys can see, they're all on. That is a nice tight fit all the way around. Let's go ahead and back this thing out and get some footage of it. And that does it for this video, guys. As you guys can see, the seat covers are all on. They look amazing, they fit amazing, they feel amazing. And guys, StarknightMT did it again. Another amazing product. We're already rocking the windshield, the gun mount, the storage bag, and now the seat covers are added to the collection on this unit. So thank you guys again for another amazing product.